This is by far the stupidest fucking car I've ever worked on. I have to make a video. This is some stupid shit. This is a V6 2007 Charger. Just to change the thermostat on this fucking thing, you gotta take the whole engine apart. I am so pissed at this. This is the dumbest. Whoever built this car is the dumbest person on the fucking planet. They should have never been given a job to build a fucking car. There's a thermostat. 4 hours later, 5. You gotta remove everything to get in there, and still a pain in the ass. Just for a thermostat. Look at all this shit. This is just ridiculous. Just for a thermostat. You can't get around it. You can't get under it. You can't get nowhere. You have to remove the power steering, the belts, the air, this, that. It's dumb. Dumbest shit ever. I'm so furious at this car. I've taken engines apart faster than I've taken this. A thermostat. A freaking thermostat, man. The fuck? A fucking thermostat. A thermostat. 4 hours, 5 hours to get to. Ridiculous. Whoever built this car had to slap their mama. I don't know. You can't slap yourself. You're dumb as shit.